What's happening, everyone? How you doing? Since all of you are having a great and amazing day, and me, your homeboy here, is having a great and amazing day. Now the video of today, it's all about something which is so awesome. This is all about the Illustrator. Now I'm gonna share with you guys something called the full design or full 3D design, but this will be in a good perspective of 2D, but it's gonna be so much awesome. And I'll share with you guys some kind of blending options which you're gonna make some kind of great and spline. It's called spline. I'm making some more flavors. Spline, you know what I mean? Spline effect throughout the blender option, which is gonna be so awesome. So further ado, let's get started. All right, we're inside Illustrator. Now I'm gonna just click new as normal, and your artwork, it might be any kind of landscape orientation, but it's gonna be landscape. So just click create, then we just jump inside on Illustrator, which is something which is awesome. Now when we're inside Illustrator here, and make sure that your essential is switched on to essential classic. I don't know about you guys, but me, I love essential to be classic. Let me just adjust my camera to be a bit manual focus, because I don't want the focus to be coming and going. I just want it to stick there. Yeah, so what's happening is just that we're gonna just go on the ellipse side and drag our first shape. On this kind of shape, I will just deselect the fill and shift plus X to have that kind of shape there. Now I'm gonna use colors here. Now I'm gonna just go all the way to color side, which is here, and this is our swatch panel. Now you can select any kind of Pantone colors you want. Now I'll go to color books and select the Pantone coated colors, which it will just appear here. Then I'm gonna keep it somewhere here. Now this is what's gonna happen. Selecting my first subject, I'm gonna keep that kind of color, and this one I may be keeping even pink, is not bad. Now combining all of them both of them two colors, they'll just give us some great and amazing gradient looking layout on the blending option. Now just make a selection just like that, go the way to object, then blend option. Now on this kind of side, we're first of all we're having the smooth color. Now if you just click on smooth color and it's okay with you, click OK, then Ctrl Alt plus B, that's the shortcut to apply that kind of filter or that kind of color. You'll see it has been created a great and amazing kind of gradient just like that, which is so perfect. But something which is so great is all about another kind of blending option, which we're gonna check it out now. Just like this, release everything, select again everything, go all the way to object, then blend options. Then after that, select specified steps. If you want steps, you can click OK and Ctrl Alt plus B to apply, and it should just apply it. But this time now it's not that much smooth color. This is steps. You can see how much steps they are. This is how much steps they are. You can see they are counted 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8, and there's an additional color here depending on how much that kind of flat color popped out. So this is how much steps it counts throughout the coloring. And we might be using this, we might be using the smooth color, but I prefer mostly using the smooth color, which is gonna be awesome. Now go all the way to object and blend options, and just select smooth color and click here, Ctrl Alt plus B. We're having our smooth color there, which is very vivid and very nice. Now what's next? It's all about our kind of full design. Now that kind of full design, we're gonna just keep it somewhere here. Now I'm gonna just start by using only N on the keyboard. Now I'm gonna draw a small cycle, but I'm using a drawing pad. You might be using a mouse, but just draw something, just something roundish, something like that. And after that, make sure that this kind of shape, it might be having a stroke or non-stroke, but select with this one. But I prefer this one to be more good, because you can see the path are not that much aligned, right? It's not that much great there. Now go all the way to N, press N on the keyboard, it will take you to the pencil side, then right click it. I'm using a drawing pad. Oh my god, it's really kind of annoying. Hold it and releasing. Okay, there we go. Smooth color. Then just smooth your shape using this kind of path slowly. not that much harshly, but just have some smoothness around the shape. It might supposed to not be perfect. Mine looks like a potato shape, which is quite not bad. Now after this, select everything, go all the way to object. I want you guys to go to object, then blend, then replace spine. I was saying spline first of all in the video. It's not spline. What was I talking about? It's spine. Yeah, spine. Now after that, you can see we're having a great and amazing kind of shape of spine. Now I'm gonna just increase this shape up to here. You can see how much it looks like, right? It looks so amazing. Let me keep this kind of pantone color there. Now after having this one, go all the way to I think it's effect. We're going to effect, then let's try distort and transform, and go all the way to roughen. And after that, keep your tab here, somewhere closely whereby you can see the effects, and click preview. Now I want you guys to play around with the size and detail. Just adjust the detail of your fur and make sure that it's smooth, so as you can see everything in a greatness, just like that. This kind of fur, if you are kind of like watching too much of animation, sometimes you might be finding them there, or if you are growing up as a kid, obviously you guys grew up as a kid, so there's a something which you can just touch it. It's fur. It's called fur. Yeah. Now click OK. Now on this kind of side, we have created our fur. Now if we can zoom in inside, you can see all those details. Oh my god, that looks good. Now I want to keep my fur in a great and amazing way. Now I'm gonna select that, go all the way to object, and expand appearance, and it will just expand everything, which is perfect. I prefer that. It's like rasterizing on Photoshop. Then after that you're done, you can see your fur. It's here. Now if you want to play around with the animation, like if you want to make like an eyes, or you want to make a mouse, or you want to just do things in here, you can play around with it. You can just take this kind of shape, which is ellipse, drag it, keep it somewhere there, and make sure that it's selected white, and duplicate it again. You can see things that start to pop out, and you can zoom in again and keep this kind of stuff here and here, somewhere there. Now after that, take pencil again. I want to draw the mouth. Now draw something like this. It's not that much straightened, but we can just adjust things by using the smooth tool. Let me just adjust that smooth tool. Just right click it and go all the way to smooth tool. Now adjust the smoothness just like that, up to we get it correctly. You see the path here, it's not that much well determined, so let me just, yeah, it's not bad. That's good for demonstration. It's good. Now just adjust it there, then click that kind of path and adjust this kind of stroke a bit, and go to uniform and select this. Just like that, you can see we have created our funny animation there. Now I'm gonna just bring the eyes somewhere here and make sure that this kind of stroke it's filled, and I want you guys to select the color. Now I prefer black for the pupil of the eyes, just like that, so it will be just somewhere here, and this one it will be somewhere here, which is brilliant. Let me just keep it there. Ooh, nice. Now just like that, we have made our animation. But if you want to just continue and make something which is more perfect and vividly, you can continue making shadows and stuff like that. I just share with you guys as a demonstration. I usually don't like the tutorial to be much longer in time. I just want things to be a little bit more smoothly, so some of you guys can enjoy that. So we can zoom in inside to make some shadows. Now shadows, it might be casting a little bit way different. Now I'm gonna make just like cast shadow, not that too much, but just a cast shadow, and I'm gonna duplicate another cast shadow. I usually love this kind of cast shadow. Now differentiate the color first of all, because it's black on black, it won't do anything. Just click on this one or this one is good. Now this shape, use the dribbler, copy this color. Now I want you guys to change the opacity a bit, bring it down, just like that. Now bring it somewhere here, select select this one. We're having all of them together, Shift plus M, then remove this kind of outer shape, which we remove that kind of other shadow, and this one do the same thing by holding Shift and Shift plus M. Then after that, Did we just shift plus M, then remove this? There we go. And if we zoom out and zoom in, my computer has become a little bit heavy. Now just like that, we can see, guys, we have created that kind of full animation looking. It's not animated yet, but it's an animation character which you can animate it and give it different kind of flows and stuff like that. Now that's how much you can create your kind of full animation using Adobe Illustrator, and you can just do bunch and bunches of stuffs. And another kind of stuff, if you want to just take it to the next level, you can just share your artwork through Adobe After Effects and start keyframing things there, and you can animate. If you guys would like me to do that, let me know in the comments down below. We will animate this kind of full. It will do the eyes, it will just jump around and stuff like that. So if you like, let me know in the comments down below, so as we can just mash up that kind of tutorial ASAP. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this kind of amazing tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below. If you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. It will just mean a lot to me. And another kind of stuff, I'll be seeing your smiley faces on the next one. Kudos. Peace.